Alright, so Cancer, we're going to have a look at what's going to come out for you, and now keep in mind that this will not resonate for every Cancer out there. If you like a personal reading, I'll leave that description down below. Another thing is we also have spiritual ascension and spiritual protection bags, which will also be in the description down below. If you're interested in things like that, we also have gems and crystals. Okay. So, Cancer, let's have a look at what's currently going on with you, and then some messages and advice. Cancer, there's someone here that you are admiring from a distance, it feels like, whether it be long distance or short distance. 'Cause when I say distance, it doesn't always have to mean like, you know, cross country or whatever, but you understand what I'm talking about. This is Cancer's. Eggs. What does eggs have to What does eggs have to do with anything? Okay. Eggs. Anyways, getting into your reading, let's have a look at your current situation. Okay. Cancer. Feels like there's a lot of ideas that you're having here, a lot of like projects that you're wanting to do, a lot of things that you're wanting to work on. Okay, a lot of opportunities coming up your way. It's more in the material world aspect, but that doesn't mean it's bad. But it's just like a lot of ideas that way. Like, I want to do this, I want to work on this. Okay? And I see you even like talking to people about this, like, hey, what do you think of this? You know? Splitting the deck, we have the Page of Pentacles with the Four of Pentacles. Okay. There's a lot here. So we have the King of Pentacles, and this is Earth energy. We have the Star, and this is Aquarius. We have the Knight of Pentacles, Page of Cups, the Devil, and this is Capricorn energy. The World, Page of Wands, Three of Swords, Empress, the Observer, the Knight of Cups, the Knight of Wands, the Strength card, which is Leo energy, Six of Wands, and the Eight of Wands. Cancer, you're moving towards success. Success is in your future. I see you going into this King of Pentacles Star energy. Okay, a very successful energy. Like, you're gonna be living life abundantly here, is what it feels like, and that's ideas that you have, things that you want to work on. That's what it all leads up to, is this Empress, King of Pentacles energy. You understand? Six of Wands. You're going to become this. Okay, and it feels like a very busy energy on working towards this. It feels like a very, like you're very passionate. You have this new passion towards something you want to do. That leads to a lot of success in your life. Okay? A lot of people wanting to speak to you as well, Cancer. You have a lot of Pages and Knights. Alright. Pages and Knights. Both good and bad here. So you have some energies that are kind of like low vibing, kind of like a little bit draining. Alright, I see you holding back from those people and kind of like detaching yourself from them as they come in with this energy. But you have some that are actually really good coming in, some that like really like want to speak to you, some that are happy to be around you, okay? We have Capricorn, Leo, Aquarius, Earth. So let's have a look at the messages and advice for you. We have nature spirits, elves, fairies, rock formations. You have nature spirits wanting to connect with you here, Cancer. Okay. Reconnect with Mother Earth. Plant, garden, harvest. Yeah, you have Mother Earth, the natural earth spirits here, wanting to connect with you. There's a need to reconnect with this. You understand? Whole self-health, natural therapies, balance. Yeah, Cancer. There's like a need to reconnect with Mother Earth, the natural spirits here, okay? And also working more with natural sort of medicine. You understand? Maybe, Cancer, maybe, with whatever you're doing here, whatever idea you have, maybe incorporating some sort of like natural healing thing into it. You know what I mean? We have Animal Guardian, trust your instincts. It's got Animal Guardian, nature. You have a guardian around you in its nature. Spirits can even be an animal spirit. We have Medicine Mother, honor your inner knowing. Seer, see beyond the current situation. Sage, be devoted and committed. Yeah. Asking you to reconnect with this side of yourself, Cancer. Okay, reconnecting with the sage, the more spiritual self. Okay, it does feel like you do have some abilities here of seeing. Okay, like seeing the future, like you have some sort of psychic awareness to you. Okay, you're not an everyday normal person, but it is asking you to reconnect with this, and it does feel like you do have some healing qualities to you. We have Spirit Keeper of the East. I'm trying to find this page here. New beginnings, a fresh cycle is occurring in your life. Wipe the slate clean. It's now time to release the old and start again. No matter what has happened in the past, it doesn't need to repeat in the future. New beginnings, yeah, Cancer. Okay, releasing the old and starting again. Alright. Number 39, Kin of the Red Hawk Tribe. So Cancer, what this talks about is meeting more of your soul tribe, coming into more contact with people who are like you, people who share the same soul frequencies as you. They believe in the same stuff, same interests, people that you can really connect with, okay? What it also talks about is you're gonna know, like, you're connecting more with yourself, okay? picking more of spirituality here. You're gonna know exactly what actions to take at the right time. Okay? When to take action and when to not take action. So, Cancer, that is all I have for you. Let me know if that resonates. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more content, like, subscribe. Bye guys.